Hello guys, I am Deepak Sudhar. I am doing an internship in data science and business analytics at the Spark Foundation. For advanced level, I have selected a task 5, Exploratory Data Analysis Sports. In Exploratory Data Analysis in Sports, I have to perform exploratory data analysis on the dataset of Indian Premier League. I have to find out the most successful team, players and factors contributing win or lose of a team. I am using a Python for this task. The dataset which is provided contain two datasets, match data and deliveries data. Now, starting with the project, first I have imported the required libraries like pandas used for data manipulation and analysis, matplotlib, it is a plotting library, numpy used for multidimensional array and matrix along with the high-level mathematical function, seaborn, it is a data visualization library based on matplotlib, plotly used for plotting various types of graph. Now, loading the matches data in the match data and deliveries dataset in deliveries data. To understand the data, printing the head of the data. With the help of the info, got to know that the matches dataset contains 756 entry and 18 columns and deliveries data contain 1,79,078 entries and 21 columns. Then, using isNull, found null values in the dataset, where umpire 3 column contains 637 null values, so dropping the umpire 3 column. Then, finding the columns where cities are null, then adding the missing data to the entries. Also finding the umpire 1 and umpire 2 missing values and fill the missing data. Then listed all the cities hosted IPL matches and then changed the Bangalore to Bangalore. Also listed all the teams played IPL and changed the Rising Pune Supergiants to Rising Pune Supergiant. Now starting with the visualization part, first plotted the graph for the matches played in each season of the IPL. Then plotted the graph for the number of matches won by each team. Further plotted pie graph for matches win by ball first or bat first. Then plotted the graph of number of matches won by batting or bowling first, where got to know that in past 4 years ball first teams have won most matches. Then plotted the pie chart for toss decision, where 61.2% teams have selected field first after winning the toss. Also plotted the graph of number of matches won by toss results, where in past 4 years teams have selected field after winning the toss. Then plotted the top 10 cities who have hosted IPL matches, where Mumbai have hosted 101 matches. Also plotted top 10 stadiums hosted IPL matches. Then found numbers of matches played versus number of matches win for each team, where Mumbai Indians have played 187 matches and won 109 matches. Second is Royal Challengers Bangalore, who have played 180 matches and won 84 matches. Also plotted the graph for the same, where you can notice that Mumbai Indian is the highest and second is Royal Challengers Bangalore, where Kochi Tuskers Kerala is the lowest. Then found the numbers of win of each team in each season, where in 2008 Rajasthan Royals have played 13 matches and in 2019 Kings 11 Punjab have played 6 matches and the lowest number of matches played by the Royal Challengers Bangalore, that is 5 in 2019. Further, listed the winners season wise, also listed the season won by teams where Mumbai Indians have won 4 seasons and Chennai Super King have won 3 seasons. Then listed the players of the match in finals, then list the toss decision for the final matches. Further, plotted the graph of the player got most numbers of the players of match, where CH Gale got 21 times player of match. Also plotted the graph of players got player of the season, where season wise player got the player of season. Then added ID, season and winner column from matches dataset to the delivery dataset for calculating further fours hit by the players and 6 hits by the player and wicket taken by the players. Then calculated the number of fours hit by the each team, then plotted player hit most number of the fours, where S Dhawan hitted more than 500 fours. Also plotted graph of number of fours hit in each season, where 2013 was the season where most number of fours were hitted, which was more than 2000. Further, in same way calculated number of six hit by each team, then plotted players hit most numbers of sixes, where CH Gale hits more than 300 sixes in his entire IPL career. Then plotted the graph for number of sixes hits in each season, where 2018 was the year where most sixes were hitted. Then by doing the sum of the runs scored by each player, top 10 leading run scorer were removed. Also plotted the graph for the same, where V Kohli has scored 5,434 runs. In the same way, by doing the sum of the wickets taken by the each player, top 10 leading wicket takers were removed. Also plotted the graph for the same, where SL Malinga saved have taken 170 wickets. This is all I have done for this task. I am really thankful to Spark Foundation for giving me this opportunity. I have learned a lot. Thanks for watching.